You see it. Let's go. So what's going on, BSG? So we got something a little different today. We're gonna do a ceiling fan. We're gonna do a big ceiling fan too as well. You can see all across this room. We're gonna put up a big ceiling fan. So let me show you what we got here. If you didn't know, we outside. All right, so let me pull this damn chair up here. That's the diagram up here. That's the ceiling fan we're gonna put up. So, get some tools. We'll get to it. All right, so now that we got our tools, we got our ladder, which I don't know if you can see the ladder right there, and I have my tools right here. You guys can see that right there. So first thing we gotta do, well, the first thing you need to do is make sure the power is off to the area you're working in. All right. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go up here and we're gonna get this fixture off. Next thing, make sure you got a good ladder as well. So the next thing is take that nut off and see if pull the thing down. This ceiling fan we're putting up is very heavy, so you got to make sure that this box can support it. Thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a picture of this. Make sure I put everything back. So I don't know if you guys can see that up there, but there's a black or white one that comes to the light, plus a ground. But coming out of from the house is a red and a white. So the black goes to the red and the white goes to white. And ground goes to ground. Excuse them dogs, they don't like to stop. First thing first, this piece right here, this has to go up first. that up there, nice and secure. Our next deal is these 3 pieces and this have to connect to this. So the way we're gonna do this is this goes in here like that. This piece goes here. It's gonna go like that. And then this here is gonna go like that. Just like that. And then we're gonna put that up there on that opening with that big piece there. This piece right here. And let it hang. Can I do that? Let's see. Okay, first of all, it's well balanced that I can see. All right, so I even put some extra screws up there to make sure that this thing don't do no wobbling. It's like 7:30 in the morning too, so you know, Sunday, people still sleep, besides those dogs. And I got old folks next door to me, so they may not take kindly to the noise. But they know what I do. They don't even say nothing. So take this pin, stick through this hole here to hold this end. Cotter pin. So, and you guys can see this is how it's gonna be, just like that. So, let me got some set screws here. Reset those. Don't want to strip those. So as you know, we got something that's extra long here. So I'm going to cut these. So beatbox ain't that. But I can drop them off in here. So let's give them a little room. See, if my bank account was set up different, I had somebody else do this, but it is what it is. All right, so the black and blue is going together. All right. Then the white is on its own. The green is on its own. Right. So you see that there's a green up there, there's a black, there's a red, there's a white. So my red is going, the red one is going to this one, the white one going to this one, and the green is going to the green. We're gonna push that black back up in there and leave it alone. Nail. Get my nuts here. These my first thing I'm gonna do here is there's two screws up there. I'm gonna screw those screws out just a little bit so that this piece here can go up there and twist and lock in. So, Let's go turn the power on. Power's on, so let's see what we got. Alright y'all, so the only thing I don't like about this is that the way they made it. They made it to where that usually when you do a ceiling fan, there's a tab on the mounting bracket that when you turn it, it locks down in there. This one don't have that, and I don't like that. That's why you can rotate it. You can turn it. See, let me show you. See, turn it either which way you want. I'd rather for it to be stationary, but hey, it is what it is. So with all that being said, man, we got a ceiling fan out here to go along with our gazebo that I put up by myself. Well, my daughter helped me get up, hold pieces so I can get up on top and do the high part, but you know, basically did it by myself. And you know, that's how I roll, you know. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more stuff, and share and leave a comment. So we're gonna catch y'all on the next one.